Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a budget dashcam from 70mi and it's the M300, and in this video we will do the unboxing and will show you how it performs. Now before we start the video, I would like to thank NextDigitron for sending us this review unit. They are the authorized sales and service partner of 70mi and DDPi products. And if you want to purchase this dashcam or any other 70mi product, then do visit their website. Now without any further ado, let's begin the unboxing. So in the front of the box we have the model name 70mi Dashcam M300, and here we have some key features of this dashcam such as 1296p recording with 140 degrees field of view, collision detection, app enabled, and has a compact design. And here at the back of the box we have some specification details. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get the film which you need to use while attaching the cam to your windscreen. Then we have the user manual which has the detailed info about the features of this dashcam. And then we have the dashcam itself. This dashcam is available in 3 colors: navy, dark grey and rose gold. And the one we have here is the navy color. We will look at the dashcam in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the cigarette lighter adapter, an extra sticky pad for mounting, and here we have the micro USB connection cable. So guys, you can use this cable or use the hardwire kit, which basically allows you to connect the dashcam directly to your car's battery using the fuse box. Now let's show you the dashcam first. Now in terms of the design, I find the build quality very good, and this dashcam is compact as well. In terms of the technical details, you get the 240mAh battery in this cam. The camera can record in up to 2304 by 1296p resolution. You get a wide 140 degree field of view, and the aperture is f2.1. There are other features in this dashcam such as 3D noise reduction, parking surveillance, time-lapse recording, for which you need the hardwire kit. So overall in terms of design and build quality, keeping in mind that it's a budget dashcam, I find the quality and design very good. And guys, now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the performance. So starting with the installation process, you can either connect the camera using the cigarette socket adapter and the cable which comes with the dashcam, or buy the hardwire kit separately. Connection process is easy, and you can also find the hardwire kit installation video on the official website. Now about the cam installation, first we need to use the electrostatic film and then attach the mount. Make sure that you're attaching the dashcam behind your inside rear view mirror, and after that we need to insert a micro SD card and connect the power cable. In terms of the initial setup, the app 70mi is easy to use, and for pairing the dashcam it's very simple. Just go to the add device section and then select the camera from the list, and then follow the instructions on the screen. So our dashcam is ready to use. Now let me show you the sample video. So we have used this dashcam in daylight, low light and night time. And in the daytime, we found the performance of this dashcam very good. We were able to read the registration plates of other cars, and the output was quite sharp. Even though it was a bright day, this dashcam was able to adjust the exposure very well. Now in terms of the low light, again we have some good performance from this dashcam. And during night time, this dashcam performance is average. You won't be able to read the number plates of the vehicle in front of you in some cases. But due to the 3D noise reduction and the WDR, which is the wide dynamic range, we notice it performs much better than other dashcams in this price segment. And guys, the mount of this dashcam is sturdy and stable, and you will not see any major vibration in the recorded footage. And also, the mic clarity is decent. In short, performance-wise, I find this budget dash camera from 70mi very good, and it's definitely value for money. And now about the time-lapse recording. If you use the hardwire kit, the dashcam goes into a time-lapse recording mode once you stop your car. And with this, you can see a time-lapse video, which in my opinion is a very good feature. Apart from the time-lapse recording, you also get a collision detection, where upon impact, the dashcam starts an emergency video recording and stores it separately in the SD card. So overall the 70mm dashcam M300 is a very good budget dashcam. We find the design and build quality very good and the performance is also pretty decent. The app control is an advantage and also with the hardware kit you can take full advantage of this dashcam. So if you're looking to purchase your first ever dashcam for your car, then we highly recommend you to check out the 70mm M300 dashcam. And guys, you can purchase one right now for just ₹4499 from NextDigitron website, which are the authorized sales and service partner for the 70mm and DD-Pi products. You can visit their website nextdigitron.com for more information. And also if you like this dashcam and want to buy one, then do check the direct buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the 70mm dashcam M300. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this dashcam, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.